today we're going to be reviewing and also showing how to use a very, very classic product that's been on the market for many, many decades, many years, and it is turtle wax. This is the soft paste wax. It's the #1 selling paste wax with 101 uses, and its depth, carnauba durability. That means it actually has carnauba wax in it. So before I show you that, let's look at the instructions and let's read them together. Okay, so directions: wash and dry car. Apply to a cool, clean surface not in direct sunlight. The car has been washed, was inside, pulled it out to do this demonstration for you. Apply a small amount of product onto a damp applicator and spread evenly, one section at a time. Allow to dry to a haze. Remove excess with a microfiber cloth. Buff with a second cloth for maximum shine. Note, not intended for vinyl, wood, or flat paint. U.S. caution: eye and skin irritant. In case of contact, flush water for 15 minutes. If on skin, wash with plenty of water. If irritation rash occurs, seek medical attention. In the UK, it contains this benzo something. I don't know how to pronounce it. May produce an allergic reaction. US, UK, keep out of reach of children. Keep from freezing. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this off to the side right here. The microfibers that we're going to be using today is going to be the Quickie Job Site heavy duty microfiber cloth. These come in a 16-pack. Link will be below, same as with the turtle wax. A link in the bottom of this YouTube video will be there for you to be able to pick these up offline. So that's what we're going to be using. But first things first, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It twists off. Okay, now looking at it, you see the wax, but here's the thing. Set this down. Now, here, if you look underneath here, you see how that is? I want you to grab that. And your applicator pad is right here, as you can see, okay? So the first thing that you do is take that out, and according to the instructions, you want to dampen it. Now, I have a hose right here. I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's damp, okay? Not soaking wet anymore, it's damp. Go ahead and put this right here. Grab this, okay? And I'm gonna take the applicator pad. I like to keep the turtle visible. I just like seeing it. And I'm just gonna apply that much right there, okay? It does not take much. This product goes very, very, very far, okay? It goes pretty far, all right? And thinner is better. You don't wanna glob it on, because if you glob it on, you're just wasting product. You just need to coat the surface with the wax, okay? Now, what direction that you go in, I'm not applying any pressure whatsoever. All I'm doing is just simply, very gently, wiping the wax on, okay? I know people are gonna be saying, move the towels out the way. It's okay. It's not that serious, okay? Okay, now, put a little bit on there like that. And you see how far this went, okay? See how far it went? Going pretty far, all right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm then gonna set this back in here like so. And then put this here, all nice and neat, because that's where it belongs. And wipe off the excess there. And then I'm just gonna close the container back up, okay? I'm gonna set that right there. Now, according to the directions, you could wait until it turns into a haze, okay? It says Spread evenly, one section at a time, allow to dry to a haze, remove excess with a microfiber cloth, both with a second cloth for maximum shine. It's not really necessary to use 2 per section, and I'm going to show you why. Because you apply it with the applicator pad. We're going to grab one of these towels that you see here. And the first thing that I'm going to do, see this tag? I like popping it off. There you go. And I'm going to unfold it, fold this into 4s like so, and then I'm just going to buff it off. It does not have any specific time of how long you need to let this product sit on the surface or whatnot, but the rule of thumb is when it hazes, that's when you remove it, okay? It's not too hard to remove, very, very classic, but the key is less is more, okay? Now, you know how it says to grab another microfiber? We're not going to do that. All I'm going to do is just, instead of using this side, I'm just going to flip it over. Voila. Flip it to a clean side for your second wipe. All right. Pretty cool. Now, you're probably wondering, what does this product look like in use? What does it look like? How does it look? Okay. What is the properties of it when it says clean shines, provides a durable protection? Okay. One thing that you want when you get a wax, you want that canuba, but you want to see a bead. That's a satisfying thing that everybody likes to see. So, go ahead and put these microfibers up here. And I'm going to go ahead and move that right there. And I'm going to grab water hose. Let's see how this wax works. Let's see how the water beads. Let's just see. It's fun. Look at that. I'd say that this wax works pretty good. Say that this wax works pretty good. This is turtle wax. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, now I'm going to dry the surface. We're going to see what it looks like after water. Voila. And as you can see, this product works very, very good. All right, everyone, so this has been a review of turtle wax, soft paste wax. And I would say that it works good and it performs very well. As far as how long it lasts is subjective. It's subjective to each individual's vehicle, how it's maintained, the environment that it's in, how you take care of it. What do you wash it with? You know, things like that. You know, if you use soaps that will strip wax, like a dishwashing liquid or whatnot, you can't expect this to last very long. But this right here will last at least a month, I would imagine, at least a month. And you see how easy it is to apply and remove. I mean, it's very, very user-friendly, and that is a plus. So anyway, if you like this video is geared towards DIYers, people just like you who are looking to figure out how to take care of your car on your own, at your house, at your office, wherever you're at, and, you know, enjoy yourself too, especially on beautiful days like right now, you know, filming this video. So hope it helps. Check the description below the video. You can actually see the links below to buy this product. And we'll see you on the next video, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for videos just like this.